Welcome to English Clarity Hub.
Essential hospital and health vocabulary with example sentences for emergencies. Emergency. This is an emergency. Please hurry. Call an ambulance. Can someone call an ambulance? Help! I need help immediately. Chest pain. I'm experiencing chest pain. Difficulty breathing. I am having difficulty breathing. Unconscious. He's unconscious and not responding. Bleeding. He's bleeding heavily from his arm. Severe pain. I'm in severe pain. Please help me. Allergy. I have a severe allergy to peanuts. Asthma attack. She's having an asthma attack. Choking. She's choking and can't breathe. Poisoning. I think he might have been poisoned. Burn. He burned his hand badly. Heart attack. He might be having a heart attack. Stroke. She could be having a stroke. Call 911. Seizure. He's having a seizure. Keep him safe. High fever. She has a very high fever. Blood pressure. Is my blood pressure normal? Broken bone. I think my leg is broken. Fracture. The X-ray showed a fracture. CPR. Do you know how to perform CPR? IV drip. He needs fluids through an IV drip. Intensive care. He's in the intensive care unit. Infection. Could this be an infection? Swelling. There's a lot of swelling around the injury. Appointment. I have a doctor's appointment at 10 a.m. Painkiller. Can I get a painkiller for relief? Antibiotic. Is an antibiotic necessary? Vomiting. I can't stop vomiting. Nausea. I feel severe nausea. Dizzy. I feel dizzy and lightheaded. Dehydration. He's dehydrated and needs fluids. Stitches. Will I need stitches for this cut? Bandage. Please bring me a bandage. Stretcher. The paramedics put her on a stretcher. Patient. The patient needs rest to recover fully. Health insurance. Health insurance covers some of the costs. X-ray. They took an X-ray of my chest. MRI scan. I need an MRI scan for my injury. Blood test. The doctor ordered a blood test. Injection. I received an injection for pain. Surgery. He had surgery to repair the damage. Prescription. Do I need a prescription for this? Symptoms. What symptoms should I look out for? Contagious. Is this illness contagious? Cold sweat. I'm breaking out in a cold sweat. Pulse. The nurse checked my pulse. Medical history. Can you provide your medical history? Paramedic. The paramedic is here to assist. Risk. What are the risks of this treatment? Hospitalize. Did he have to be hospitalized? Discharge. When will I be discharged from the hospital?